What's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this simple flicker tutorial effect. So you want to go to the shape layer, put a black shape over your canvas or the video you're making, go to the shape layer, type T, then hit Alt and click. It's going to bring up this tab here. You're going to type in wiggle, and I like 3085, but like I say, it's your preference. It's what flicker you're going for. So if you're going for something more strong, you want to make it higher, or something less, make it lower. So as you can see, it looks terrible right now, so you can fix it easily. I'm just showing you guys how it looks. It looks actually terrible right now, but I'm just showing you how dark I'm going to get and how light I'm going to get it. Then you want to pre-compose the layer, click OK, go to opacity and put it to 20%. Personally, I like 20% the most. You can, if you like I said, you want it lighter or stronger, you can go lower for lighter and higher for stronger. So please like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the next.